So let's study the differences between oil in water and water in oil type emulsions. So the first point under oil in water emulsion is, so oil in water type emulsion is formed when a small quantity of oil, which is the dispersed phase, is shaken vigorously with an excess amount of water, which is the dispersion medium. And for water in oil emulsion, so for water in oil type emulsion, it is formed when a small quantity of water, which is the dispersed phase, is shaken with excess amount of oil, which is the dispersion medium. So the first point, the main importance of this first point is that for oil in water type emulsion, the dispersed phase is oil, and for water in oil type emulsion, the dispersed phase is water. So now let's move on to the second point. So addition of water causes dilution, forming no separate layer. This is for oil in water type emulsion. But for water in oil type emulsion, addition of water does not dilute the emulsion, rather it forms two distinct layers. So let's move on to the third point. So oil in water type emulsions are less viscous and are better conductors, while water in oil type emulsions are more viscous and not good conductors. So for oil in water type emulsions, on adding an oil soluble dye, colored oil droplets can be detected under a microscope. And for water in oil type emulsions, on adding an oil soluble dye, the entire system appears red when seen under a microscope. So the fifth point will be the examples. Examples of oil in water type emulsions are milk, vanishing cream. These are examples of oil in water type emulsions. And for water in oil type emulsion, butter, cod liver oil and cold cream. These are examples of water in oil type emulsions. So these were the differences. These were the 5 differences between oil in water and water in oil type emulsions. Thank you.